Right now, taking a live look from Cal Expo, a rainy day. I've been talking to Richard, some of the producers here. We love a good, comforting rainy day. Patty Mastracco's here with us today, and she's going to make it even better with some of these fall flavors. The apple of our eye this morning, we have the good Modi apple. Check out these fall colors. And Patty, you're actually helping us break in our brand new kitchen, so this is pretty exciting.
I love it. Yeah, thanks for the honors.
Of course. So, I mean, so many of the recipes that you created today, they're all centered around the Modi apple.
Yeah, so this is a really different apple. This is relatively new to California. It's grown on the Delta, so it's 29 miles away from the studio. And you can't get much more local than that. It's grown on Grand Island. So this is an apple that comes from Italy. So it's actually named after the painter Modigliani, who painted with the beautiful, vibrant colors.
Because, that makes sense.
I mean, look at these colors. So there's big ones, and there's medium size, and then there's these cute little baby ones, you know, for kids' lunch boxes or snacks. But not just, you know, eating out of hand, they're actually great to cook with too. But one more thing, you can't forget, they're called the loud apple because they are so irresistibly crunchy. They're loud when you eat it.
Let's put it to the test here.
There you go. Always crunchy and crisp. That's one of their best selling points. So what I made was an apple onion flatbread, and I caramelized the onions and then cooked the apple slices in a little bit. Fresh mozzarella on I just used a prepared flatbread crust to make it super easy. And then I put a little bit of prosciutto, and at the last minute I put a little bit of Gouda because I love the flavor of Gouda too. So
that's what I love about apple. It can contrast so much with those savory dishes and flavors.
Yep, just, you know, and you can skip that. I love the flavor that it adds, and then I just gave it a little sprinkle of grated parm.
That makes all the difference too, right?
Yeah.
When it comes to making a flatbread like this, could you make it in the toaster oven?
Absolutely. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, and you can like make it ahead and then bake it at the last minute. So if you're having a gathering, I love make ahead.
So good.
Isn't that great?
What about the soup? I mean,
okay,
that's perfect.
So this is one of my favorites. This is perfect for it's a rainy day. We have soup. I'm glad it's not 90 degrees. So this is a pumpkin apple soup, and again, it uses, of course, the Modi apple. But it's just, you know, onions and celery and pumpkin because it's pumpkin time of year, and the apples just round out the flavor.
They really complement each other well.
They do, yeah. It just gives it a really nice flavor. So
this is nice and warm too. I mean, on a day like today with a little bread. Yep, you have the little bread right there, the baguette.
Yep, and I actually used just a plant-based milk. I did not use heavy cream, so it's super healthy as well.
Oh, that's nice. And it's so comforting too. Right? So you don't have to sacrifice, you know, the taste for something comforting on a warm, nice fall day like today.
And this again is totally make ahead. You could make it a couple of days ahead. So it's a great lunch, dinner, light entertaining recipe, so all good.
Great on the side or by itself. You could really do both.
Yeah, I just like the way, I love the flavor, and I love that it's healthy. It's not a heavy cream, decadent tasting soup. It is decadent tasting, but it's light. So,
well, Patty, thank you so much for showing us a little bit of these fall flavors. We'll have more coming up later on this hour, and we'll be back. Make sure to stay with us.
Hi, I'm Susan.